Welcome to today's edition of the Exploring Mining podcast, featuring stock news from TSX, TSXV, CSE, ASX, NASDAQ, and New York Stock Exchange mining companies, plus interviews with CEOs and leading experts. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 329 of the Exploring Mining podcast. For news today, we've got the latest from IAM Gold, Lion One Metals, Thunder Gold, and Golden Share Resources. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so IAM Gold Corporation, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker IAG, has reported its financial and operating results for the fourth quarter and year ended December 31st, 2022. Highlights include 185,000 ounces of attributable gold production in Q4 and 713,000 ounces for the year. Maryse Bélanger, the company's chair, interim president, and CEO, said, quote, "Operationally, the company finished the year with a strong quarter, driving production above the top end of our revised guidance estimates. Our construction teams at Côté Gold continued to advance the project, allowing for critical project activities to move inside the plant during the winter season, while accelerating the deployment of the autonomous haulage and drilling systems to better position the project for commencement of production next year." End quote. Next up, Lion One Metals Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker LIO, has announced the acceleration of mine development and plant construction following the completion of project financing at its 100% owned Tuvatu alkaline gold project in Fiji. Walter Barukoff, the company's CEO, commented, quote, "In conjunction with ongoing mine development, we are preparing to mobilize personnel for the installation and commissioning of the Tuvatu gold processing plant. All of the processing plant components have already been delivered to Fiji, with shipments of the remaining bulk materials in progress and expected to be delivered by the end of March to coincide with the completion of infrastructure for the mill area, electrowinning facility, and gold room." End quote. Next up, Thunder Gold Corp, which trades on the TSXV as TGOL, has started diamond drilling at the Tower Mountain Gold property located near Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. The 4,000-meter contract was awarded to Chibougamau Diamond Drilling Limited, I hope I said that right, and drilling commenced on February 14th. Thunder Gold CEO Wes Hansen said, quote, "Our primary objective with our initial 2023 drill program is to rapidly demonstrate that Tower Mountain offers a conceptual exploration target ranging from 50 to 100 million tons, averaging 0.7 to 0.9 grams per ton gold. Our secondary objective is to demonstrate opportunities to increase both the quantity and quality of the conceptual exploration target." End quote. Lastly for today, Golden Share Resources Corporation, which trades on the TSXV as GSH, has announced the completion of a detailed airborne magnetic survey over its Ogoku project kimberlite target claims in the Martin Falls area of northern Ontario, Canada. According to the press release, 14 target sites were mapped within 8 individual survey blocks completed using SHA Geophysics HeliGT magnetic survey system, and an interpretive report is currently underway evaluating each target. Well, that does it for today's Exploring Mining podcast. If you'd like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, please contact InvestorIdeas.com. InvestorIdeas.com reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. All investment involves risk, and this podcast is not meant to be an endorsement to buy or sell securities or products. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.